मेरे राम गाड़ी वाले
Haribol.
रा गाड़ी
Very good evening, Swati, Priyanka, Raghunath.
रा गाड़ी अटकी रे
Priyanka Sharma is there. Happy to see you.
धर्मी धर्मी
Let's begin, everyone. With a lot of energy.
हल्के गाड़ी हाँ को मेरे राम गाड़ी वाले जरा हौले हौले गाड़ी हाँ को मेरे राम गाड़ी
Smile
वाले
on your faces. Very beautiful meditation. With loads of love to one of my favorites, the Masters of Masters, Osho. Mystic Rose. Such a beautiful meditation. Let's do this.
देश विदेश का वह बुलाया लाया जड़ी और बूटी देश विदेश का वह बुलाया लाया जड़ी और बूटी ला जड़ी बूटी तेरे काम ना आई जब राम के घर से छूटी भैया हल्के गाड़ी हाँ को मेरे राम
Gadi Wale. Let's begin, everyone. Fantastic. If I'm audible, if I'm visible, and if the recording is on, please type in the chat box. HB Haribol. Happy to be back, Priyanka. Happy to see you back. Nirja. Wow. Guys, please stay tuned. On this 31st of March, something very special I'm going to do. Very special courses are going to be introduced to you, which is going to be so fantastic. I'm very confident if you just go through them, they'll be not long. I've concised them in a story format. I've been working for many months. How can I help you to get results? So this on 31st, I've created a very powerful course in storytelling format on neuroscience, quantum physics, and psychology, spirituality, using which you can use these tools to really overcome your issues and stay more positive and more energetic. Any which way, let's get started. Really excited for the upcoming 31st March. Something how AI is really influencing the world, and I am not far to get AI to really help us become more peaceful using the techniques and tools. Any which way, let's begin. Let's start with today's Mystic Rose. Mystic Rose kya hai? Mystic Rose is one of the beautiful meditations. It was a 21 days meditation by Osho. In his times, Osho brought to the world, in his community, in his ashram. Give me a second, yeah. I'll just play our music, otherwise the copyright and everything will come. Okay, fine. Yeah. So today we're going to do the Mystic Rose. Mystic Rose, before we do, let me give you a small introduction about the Mystic Rose, what it is. Osho in his ashram used to conduct this 21 days of mystic meditation. Very powerful, very beautiful meditations. In these 21 days, it was divided into 3 weeks. The week 1, pay very good attention. We're going to do a short version of it, okay? If you guys are there with me in a physical space, we would have done it for the 21 days. Any which way. So 3 weeks, 21 days, this Mystic Rose meditation used to happen. The first week, on the first week, every day 3 hours, क्या करना था? 3 घंटा रोज हंसना था. Every day for the first week was called as Laughter Day, Laughter Week. Every day for 3 hours, for 7 days, all the members used to laugh. That was the one section of the Mystic Rose. In second week, people used to just cry. You saying what? Yes, cry. Every day 3 hours. Rote raho. It was like you have to vent out all that garbage, all that dirt, all those fears, all those sadness, all that pain just went out for 1 week. Every day 3 hours for 7 days, people just used to vent out, cry, crazily closing their eyes, thinking about some moment, just releasing all the catharsis, all the negative emotions. So second week was venting out negative emotions with your cry, by crying. The third the third week was used to be about staying in silence. Total silence, absolute awareness. Keeping your eyes shut every day, 3 hours. Just watching your thoughts, being in the nothingness, in the shunya. And after 3 weeks, according to Osho, when you go through this 3 weeks of journey, first through laughter, then through negative emotions, venting out through tears, and then in the third week when you do the silence meditation or just sit in silence, there is a mystical human being. There's a mystical being inside of us. Okay? The soul, you call it. It just rises. It is like a rose. The mystic rose. The flower within us blooms. And that was the mystical rose. And after 3 weeks, when the mystical rose meditation is to complete, each one of the members in the ashram used to give each other rose. Okay? Rose as a symbol that the rose within you has blossomed. Imagine, now why? Why first week laughter? Why second week of crying? And why third week of silence? The reason is this, my friend. Imagine like a rose. Now consider this to be a rose. We all have a soul, we have a rose. There is a beautiful, happy person inside of us. But somehow it is covered. It is kind of covered with dust. All the negativities, negative emotions. Okay? According to Osho, laughter is a broom. Jhadu hai. Haste raho, haste raho, haste raho, haste raho. And slowly the dust, all the negativities will just wash off. And slowly, slowly the rose will be visible. But still there will be a second layer of negative emotions, worries, fears, guilt, sadness. That can be removed by crying. By venting out your emotion in a safe space. When both the layers are removed, first with laughter, second with crying, then the rose, the fragrant rose is visible. Okay? And then you can just be in your rosiness, the happiness. So that was beautiful. That was really, really powerful. I've done it, I think, a year back, Mystic Rose. So we're going to do this today. Okay, a short version of Mystic Rose. Okay? You don't have to laugh for 3 hours. You don't have to cry for 3 hours. We'll do a short, our versions of burst of these emotions. And trust me, you'll feel really, really good. Very important is tell everybody in your house, मैं meditation कर रहा हूँ. If I start laughing or if any noise comes, just know it is meditation. Nothing is wrong with my mind. Okay? People will say, क्या हो गया इसको? Okay? So everyone, let's start the Mystic Rose. In a very short, sweet, fantastic way. Let's let the rose within us blossom. Okay? Are you ready? If you're ready, just type in the chat box. BIO in the chat box. BIO is bring it on, bring it on, bring it on. Let's start with the Mystic Rose. बहुत ही खूबसूरत. We all have a rose. Rose is something which is vibrant, which has great fragrance. We all have a rose inside of us. It has the fragrance of love. It has the fragrance of peace. We have the fragrance of the rose as something that is confident, courageous, happy, playful, humorous. Wisdom is there. It's time to let the rose within us come out, blossom. Let's begin. Here we go, my friend. Let's do this. Chest out, shoulders back. Smile on your faces. If not 3 hours, at least 3 minutes, we're going to laugh like crazy. Okay? We're going to laugh like crazy for 3 minutes. But what is a joke? Why should I laugh? Fake it till you make it, my friend. Our body doesn't know anything. It just, whatever you make it do, it starts feeling it, okay? So just manipulate your body. Just look at me, everyone. Okay. I'm telling you, at the end of the session, you're going to feel really, really, really good. Okay? So just do it. Think less, act more. So chest out, shoulders back. Have a big smile on your face. चेहरे पे बहुत बड़ी मुस्कान लेके आई है. Okay, not like this. Not like absolute one. Ear to ear. Okay, fantastic. Get your hands like this in the air. Okay, and unlock. I'm gonna unmute you guys. Please unmute yourself so we hear each other's voice and we get inspired. At least feel some funniness. Okay. क्या बात है? You always almost have started. Everyone, smile on your face. The best way is ha ha ha. Ho ho ho. Got it? Smile is consistent. Smile is consistent.
Yeah.
Use your shoulder. Ball on your face, make the sound. Make the sound. बोलते रहो, गाना नाचते अरे रोज ब्लॉसम करना है, सोना नहीं है रोज को. लाफ एवरीवन. खांसी वाला लाफ्टर, क्या बात है. Okay, get serious. Just try. With seriousness, can you laugh? You can't do that. Smile, everyone. Just make a sound. अरे क्या बात है. You can do like a bike wala laughter. The गाड़ी has started her full speed. Don't stop. Just keep on laughing. Laugh because ask yourself, मैं क्यों हंस रहा हूँ? And then laugh for no reason. Okay, maybe this is what it feels like being mad. Wow. More 2 minutes, everyone. 3 घंटा हंसते थे लोग यार आश्रम में. आप 3 मिनट नहीं हंस रहे हो, क्या बात है. Let's show we are no less the Bodhis. It's 17 till 19 we're gonna laugh. Okay, it's 21, 17. Don't stop. Don't judge yourself. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? Just do it. Let it happen. Go with the flow. Go with the flow. One minute left. Come on, 1 minute बाकी है. 1 minute बाकी है. How funny. Funny नहीं है. इसके बाद हम रोने वाले. We're gonna cry. We know that very well. नहीं यार. Okay, 30 seconds are left. 30 seconds are अरे क्या बात है, खुशी के आंसू होते हैं, लाफ्टर के आंसू, क्या बात है. वाह गुरु. Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much. I just wanted to have fun. Thank you. Okay, which way? How many of you really loved laughing and you felt really good? Just type in the chat box. MA मतलब क्या है? Master in Arts? नहीं, मजा आ गया. मजा आ गया. Just type मजा आ गया in the chat box. Oh God. It's so important. My dear friend, laughter. So very important. Will not go. Okay. Humor is more powerful than positive thinking. Always remember, humor is more powerful than positive thinking. When you see a problem or a situation, if you make a joke on it, the problem doesn't exist. It's more powerful than positive thinking, but somehow the humor that we have has been lost. You know, when you go through fear and all those negative things, the humor inside of us has lost. The best way to bring the funny person inside of us, the humorous person, is no reason, just laugh. Okay, when you start laughing for no reason, all that garbage, all that negative layers will get completely washed off, and we'll start looking at ordinary situations of life in a more funny, humorous way. We will start looking at problems of life in a more funny way. Just laugh for no reason every day and just see the magic inside of you. How many of you are ready to cry right now? Okay, sir, ये मतलब आप रुलाओ मत यार इतना हंसने के बाद. I don't want to cry now. I've mastered the art of being sad every day. I'm very good at this. Okay, no problem. No cry, please. No cry, no cry, no cry. Okay. Okay. We're not gonna cry. Everyone, just sit, relax. Instead of crying, we're gonna use a tool using which we will wash our negative feelings. Okay, instead of crying, I would have made you cry, but you guys are not in front of me. Okay, so it needs more attention and proper guidance, because अगर रोना शुरू कर दिए, ठीक है, laughter तो रुक नहीं सकता है, but रोना, भाई साहब, we know how to cry. Any which way, let's begin, everyone. Let's do the second step of Mystic Rose. After we have done laughter, fantastic. Rather than crying, we'll just use an alternative of crying, using which we can remove our negative emotions. Let's do this, everyone. Chest out, shoulders back, chest out. Keep your chest out, shoulders back. Take your right hand. Okay, fantastic. No slapping, just keep it on your heart. Okay, fantastic. Take your right hand on your heart. अपने right hand अपने heart पे रखिए. दिल पे, दिल तो बच्चा है जी. Fantastic. Have a smile on your face, everyone. Chest out, shoulders back. Keep your left on your right. Okay. Fantastic. When I say repeat, I would request you to start repeating certain words after me. Okay, certain lines. Fantastic. Let's do this. Very simple lines. Just repeat after me when I say repeat. Okay, till then, please keep close. Close your eyes. अपनी आंखें बंद कर लीजिए. Close your eyes. Right hand on your heart. Just enjoy breathing in. Breathe in deep with your nostrils. Hold and exhale. Continue this 4-7-7 breathing. Breathe in deep with your nostrils. Hold for the count of 7 and exhale from your mouth with the count of 7. Keep your right hand on your heart. Fantastic. Enjoy this breathing pattern until I ask you to repeat few words. Fantastic. क्या बात है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत. Let's do this. Hari bol. Enjoy breathing in deep. Hold and exhale. Beautiful. Okay, fantastic. Just breathe naturally, my friend. Breathe naturally with your right hand on your heart. You're going to have a conversation with the most wonderful human being on this planet Earth. You know who's that person? You. Okay. You're going to have a conversation with yourself. अपने आप से बातचीत करना है. With your right hand on your heart. Repeat the following words after me. Repeat. Dear, take your name at the end. Dear, how are you? I've hurt you a lot. I speak so many negative things to you. I put you through so much of pain. Sorry for hurting me. Really sorry for hurting you. Please, for not appreciating you. Please forgive me for not appreciating you. Please forgive me for always cursing you. What I say to you, the words that I use, I might not even use with my best friend. Sorry for hurting you. यार प्लीज मुझे माफ कर दे. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. I'm really sorry for hurting you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I love you. You deserve all the success in the world. You deserve all the happiness in the world. I really love you. Hey Sachi. I truly mean this. I love you. तू मस्त है. तू जबरदस्त है. You're awesome. You're fantastic. You're no less than anyone else. Darling, you're a gift to the world. You are such a wonderful human being. I really respect you. I really love you. You are my hero. You are my superstar. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I really love you. Darling, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. I thank you. I really love you. I'm really sorry for hurting you. I'm sorry for comparing you with others unnecessarily. I'm sorry for putting you through so much of pain. I'm really sorry for not appreciating you. यार प्लीज माफ कर दे. Please forgive me. I'm in love with you. You're the most wonderful human being on this planet Earth. We are going to be there together in every ups and downs. Darling, I love you. I really love you. You're nothing less than God to me. मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, करती हूँ. I really love you. I really respect you. I'm really proud of you. In the past, the times were very difficult. But you did not give up. You rose back like a lion. You kept on fighting. And I'm really proud of you for your fighting spirit. Nobody knows in those dark times what you went through. I saw you. But you rose back. You fought back. I'm really proud of you for fighting. I really respect you. It doesn't matter what mistakes you have done. What matters is that you have kept moving ahead in life. You have not given up. And I love you for that. You are my superstar. I really, really love you. I love you, darling. I love you. Just say I love you and take your name at the end, my friend. I love you and take your name at the end. Feel that love inside for yourself. Keep on saying, I love you. 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 Just see your heart is beating with so much of love. Your body is filled with love. Your mind is filled with love. Your whole being is dancing with love. Take your right hand down, my friend. Take your right hand down and just relax. Keep your chin up. Take a deep breath. Take both your hands down, chin up. Just stay in this moment. Get all your focus and attention between your eyebrows. Between your eyebrows, just notice There is a flame inside of you. Just notice the flame between your eyebrows. This flame is the fire. This flame is you, the soul, the Atman. Get all your focus there. If any thought tries to trouble, come back to the flame. With your focus and attention on the flame, repeat the following words after me. I am not this body. I am not this mind. I am this light. I am this soul. I am this consciousness. My body is my servant. My mind is my servant. I am this light. I am this flame. I am this consciousness. I am this Atman. My nature is of happiness. I am a happy soul. I am a happy soul. I am a happy, happy soul. I am this flame. I am this light. My nature is of peace. I am a peaceful soul. I am a peaceful soul. I am a peaceful soul. My mind is my servant. I tell this funny mind to only think what I allow it to think. My mind is my servant. I am this flame. I am this light. My nature is of love. I am a loving soul. I am the ocean of love. I am this light. I am the ocean of love. I am this flame. I am this ocean of love. I am not this body. I am not this mind. I am this light. I am this flame. I am this soul. My nature is of love, of peace, of happiness. My dear friend, you can just see, focus between in the heart area, just focus. You can see like a rose is visible, is getting visible inside of your heart. In the Anahata Chakra, you can see the rose. You can see the rose is blossoming. This mystic rose has come to life. And see the fragrance of love, of happiness, of peace, of courage is spreading everywhere. Just see from the rose, like a pink color energy is coming out. That pink color energy is of love. From your heart, this love is coming out. And you're sending the love to your family. Just see this pink light. You're sending the love to your family. You're healing others with your love. Just see this pink light of love. You're giving this love to your friends. You're healing your friends with love. Just see you're sending this love in the entire country. This pink light from you is spreading everywhere in our country, India. You're healing those souls who are going through pain, through difficult times. Your love is healing everywhere, everyone in our country. You have become the reason for their happiness. You see this pink light is healing everyone in our country. This pink light from you is spreading across the oceans, across the world. This pink light is spreading across the cosmos. You have become the reason for spreading love. Just feel inside of you the rose is blossoming. Just feel the love inside of you. Have a smile on your face. Say with me, my past is gone. I'm stepping into a new life. I am this mystic rose. I am this mystic rose. Of love. I am this mystic rose of love. I am this mystic rose of love. Thank you, God, for healing me. Thank you for making me a new human being. Slowly, very gently, take both your hands. Put them on your eyes. Take a deep breath. Hold and exhale. Open your eyes with a smile on your face. Fantastic. Open your beautiful eyes with a smile on your face. Just type in the chat box, my friend. What did you feel? What was your experience like? Write in a one word or a sentence. Yeah, said I cried. Good. Crying also means that you vented out your emotions. Yes. I cry a lot. Crying means all that stuffed emotion. You have let it out. Yeah, Priyanka also cried. See? I made you cry in a different way. The last three, and last there was a gentle, and the last there was gentle smile. Absolutely. We cry because we recognize how we treat ourselves. You, me, or anyone. As we start at the day, throughout the day, many of us curse ourselves. Why are you doing that? Idiot. Yeah. You shouldn't have done that. Oh my God, what are you doing? Yeah, look, he's watching me. She's watching me. Supposed to do this. I have not done up till now. Oh my God. All these words, so much of pain we put ourselves through. How often do we appreciate ourselves? It's very important. When you do small, small stuff, always take your right hand and just give yourself a pat on your back. Okay, and just say, Mast kar raha hai. Acha kar raha hai. I do that to myself every day. You know, if not pat on the back, at least I say, Mast kar raha hai. Acha kar raha hai. Really doing good. Mast kar raha hai. Mast kar raha hai. Use a positive statement. Say it every day, every second, whenever you recognize that. Appreciate yourself. We cannot live this life without appreciation. Okay? Like a car cannot move without fuel. Humans cannot move in this world without appreciation. Okay? We need a reason to live this life. If we do not get appreciation, we feel, why are we living? Okay? But don't wait for somebody else to appreciate you, your boss, your partner, your colleague, your mother, your neighbor, your rickshawala, chaiwala. Appreciate yourself. Because nobody knows your journey other than you. Right? Nobody knows what mental struggle you go. Nobody knows what financial struggle you go. Nobody knows what relationship struggle you go. Nobody knows what physical struggle you go. Nobody knows how you have bounced back. You only know the entire film. So make sure you appreciate yourself each and every day. Every moment, don't leave it. Mast kar raha hai. Good, you're doing good. Fantastic. I'm proud of you. Mast kar raha hai. Keep appreciating yourself. Okay? There's a wonderful human being inside of you. It's important to appreciate. And your worth has nothing to do with what likes you get on Instagram, how much you have an appraisal in your job. what kind of physical body you have, six pack abs, if you're good looking, or whatever skin color you have, your height, your weight, the bank balance, nothing matters. Okay? All that is just a Leela. Okay? Play that Leela, play the game. What really matters is how you treat yourself. So treat yourself with a lot of respect, with a lot of love. Okay? Honor yourself, respect yourself, and love yourself each day. Thank you so much. I see you tomorrow morning, tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Good night. Thank you.